Okay, we've lined out this top for our brow. So what we want to do is shave this back in here so this will stick out more. So that's what we're going to work on next. And I'll use this tool to shave it back. So you can see how that tapers it back like that. So we're going to skin all this back, taper it down here so these stick out, and this will go back for our reference picture. So if you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Thanks for watching.